I may use the word. Good market breadth, let the market open up. These are just the first rates. It is expected to open in favor of advances versus decline, and it would be very, very strong in terms of that favor. Now let's look at PSU banks, where all the price action has shifted, at least yesterday. SBI, BOB, Can Bank, where all the PSU banks are. No large incremental fall of buying is there in some of the PSU banks. Interestingly, it is turning out to be a one-day wonder. I'm too early to say that, but yeah, there is no incremental gusto or there is no incremental fall of buying after yesterday's clean move. Bajaj Auto ahead of numbers, Zomato after the news, nothing big. There is little bit of earnings impact which could be there. I don't think Jio Financial Services has an earnings impact. Earnings kahan par hai? Earnings have not come out, right?
No, earnings have come out, but it's not the operational earnings.
Yeah, these are not earnings. These are the quarterly updates.
Quarterly update.
Yeah,
yes,
so it's not earnings impact technically. That's what I understand. Okay, even if it is, Jio is not reacting to the news per se that they are moving into what could be called as the lending business. Angel One is reacting to numbers, but HAL, BAL, Kochi Shipyard. Let's look at the entire defense, gambit, and what do we have there in terms of the market assessment.
Okay, let's also track what's going on within the entire telecom space. Remember, we've been talking about the Supreme Court hearing the curative petition against the earlier court order. So check in on some of those names in trade today. Ahead of that, holding out in the green. Yes, Jio Financial, it was the operating profit that came in higher. Revenues down 36% on a sequential basis. Meantime, Vedanta, there's a QIP. They're going to raise about 6,600 odd crore rupees for 40 rupees per share. HUL selling the water purification business to AO Smith, 601 crores, up about 0.6%. Meantime, Lupin as well, they're selling their commercial women's health specialty business, so a quick check-in on that. You've got a Paytm. Remember that administrative warning has come from SEBI for related party transactions. IPCA and Unichem Laboratories, the US FDA has issued 5 observations to Unichem's Goa plant, so quick check-in there. Century Textiles, Birla Estates has secured a 71-acre land in Gurugram at about 1,400 crores. Pearl Global is a small stock. It's a QAP fundraise, so just keep that stock as well on your radar. And meantime, you had some other names in the spotlight like a SpiceJet on the back of numbers. Hudson Agro Q1 PAT is up about 62% as well. So those are some of the newsmakers in trade, while NLC India and GMDC is in the spotlight. The Coal Ministry has signed agreements for 3 coal mines, and Adani Group reports indicate that they're looking to buy JP Group cement operations as well. Firm breadth, 24,600 on the screen. Kunal, let's get in your first trade.
Yeah, this looks like a good start again for the indices. In terms of opening trade, Colgate is something which is starting to look attractive from the FMCG pack. The stock crossing 53,100 levels yesterday. So would be going to recommend the stock at the open.
Okay, meantime, let's get in. Naresh, your top trade?
So maintain a buy on SBI Life. That looks interesting around the 1610, 1620 levels.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.